Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Alright. Oh, there's a little black spot on that one. Get that out of there. Alright. Stick blender going here. All right, so we have our puree. To that, we are going to add 1/2 cup of whiskey, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. This stuff is pretty good, but it's very thin compared to what I usually have. And 1/4 cup, and 1/4 cup lemon juice. That's not for acid, it's really just to keep the color good. So we're going to go ahead and stir this up and let it cook together for a few minutes. You want to cook the alcohol off. It's just for flavor, not for alcohol content in the food, of course. So we're just going to let this cook for a few minutes and we're going to jar it up. All right. So I did go ahead and add 1/2 cup of sugar. And I'm just going to do a tiny splash of vanilla. It's just missing something. Just needs something. We'll stir that in and stir everything down and see if that doesn't. So yep, that was it. So the little extra sugar, which it said it might need in the recipe, and then that splash of vanilla, which it did not call for in the recipe, and now it tastes really good. A spoonful here. Yes, that splash of vanilla was exactly what it needed, and the extra sugar that was optional in the recipe. So I'm just going to thicken this up just a little bit, and it'll be ready to go into jars. I have my jars prepared. I've got a variety of sizes because I'm not sure how much is in here. I'm kind of winging it a little bit with this one. I've got my lids and rings ready to go. And again, just waiting for it to thicken back up because I had it pretty thick, and then I added like the maple syrup and lemon juice, and it's just a little runny now. See, a little bit, not quite applesauce consistency yet. So we're going to let that cook down just a little bit more, and I will be back. Be sure to check out this next video we've selected for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, Rebel Canners.